Okay, so I'm going to review the Fetch app. When you first download and log into the app, create your account, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see all of the bonus offers here on the home page. You can just scroll down and look at those. There's some good ones on there right now, like that Thomas Muffin Tops getting back 50%. That's a good amount of points. Spending $12 on Unilever products, getting several points there, 3,500. That's a great deal. So lots of offers here as soon as you open it up. I try not to buy things just because they're offering a lot of points. I have to actually need those things. So don't get too caught up in those bonus offers because you'll find yourself buying a lot of things that you're really not going to use or need. Next, when you're ready to do one of your receipts, you just click the snap camera button there and it will pull up your options. You have e-receipt option, which is what we're showing here. And it is scanning my email right now for receipts to see if I've earned anything. And there you go. There's a Walmart receipt where I had a Walmart delivery. It's just 25 points, but hey, 25 points for clicking that little button. That was painless and easy. You can also connect your Amazon account. One thing about connecting your Amazon account, if you change your password, you're going to have to go back in and reconnect that Amazon account. So it was connected, and I am going to have to reconnect that because I recently changed my password. So just a tip for you there, but it does scan it for, I think, maybe the last 7 or 10 days. So that's really good. And then what I do with my paper receipts, I don't hang on to those all week long. Some people prefer to do that, but I like to scan mine right away. So here you go. We're into the rewards. Look at all the stuff you can get. This is the retail category, all kinds of stuff. You can go to entertainment. You've got movie gift cards. And around 25 to 27,000 points will get you that $25 gift card. So very, very, very cool. Easy to rack up the points and get those gift cards. I'll show you some of my past rewards. So I started using this in 2018, and it was September of 2018, and I have redeemed for several Dunkin' gift cards, some Amazon gift cards, Best Buy, restaurants, and I currently have one processing for Walmart. So pretty easy to get those gift cards when all you're having to do is scan a receipt. A receipt for anything, gas, food, clothing, grocery store. Scan them all. You never know which ones it's going to take. I haven't had a lot of trouble with any of them not taking. So definitely worth scanning every receipt. I do highly suggest you scan those as soon as you get them, because if you forget about them, like I said, and they are a little older, then they'll unfortunately show as too old and will not let you scan them. Another good way to get points, those referrals. Refer your friends. Super easy. Just click on that refer and it pops up your code. It's got a scannable QR there. It has the option to text. It has the option to email. It has the option just to click share, and you can copy that. I like to send it text. I do share them on my social from time to time, but my code is a little confusing because it's V0NCU, and sometimes people think that 0 is an O, the letter O. So yeah, I like to send them where people can just click the link or copy and paste my code. But that's a great way to get 4,000 points super quick. Now, whoever you are referring, they also get 2,000 points to get them started. So that's like $2, because it is basically a penny per point. That's kind of how it converts into the cash there. So lots of ways to share that. Text it, email it, however you want to do it. Here is a version. This is what the text looks like. So I really like that one. It's clean, neat, Not a lot of words. Here you go. Come save some money with me. Pretty simple, pretty easy. So, if you would like to join Fetch, you haven't downloaded it, and you need a referral code, feel free to use mine and get those 2,000 points, and I get 4,000 points. If you have a friend who has Fetch, ask them for their referral code. Let somebody get those points. Doesn't have to be me, but let somebody get those points. So, that's your quick tutorial on Fetch. If you haven't used it, highly suggest you download it. I have seen some other videos on here about somehow getting 100,000 points, but you have to download all this. You have to download some other app to get to it and change the settings in your phone. I have not done that. I have no intentions of doing that. I don't like to mess with the settings like that on my phone or use those third-party apps. So just putting that out there.